Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the home screen on your Google Pixel phone. And this is easy. Just go to the top right and go to Settings. And then go to Apps. Then go to All Apps. Now I'm using a Motorola phone, but it's going to be very similar on your Google Pixel. You're looking for the P section. Under here, it's going to be alphabetical. And go to Pixel. So LMNOP, here we go. And look for something that says Pixel Launcher. So say Pixel App Launcher, Pixel Launcher, something like that. So since I'm doing this demonstration on a Motorola phone, on the Motorola phone, you can see I have Moto App Launcher. So you're looking for Pixel App Launcher. On the Motorola phone, it's called Moto App Launcher. And on your Samsung, it's called One UI Home. That's what you want to look for, and then tap it. Once you find it, and then go to Storage, and clear the cache, clear the storage, and then go to delete. Or it could be called clear data. And then clear it and go back to your home screen. You might get a pop-up like this, maybe later. And you can see everything on the UI is now reset to how it was. So very easy to reset your home screen layout on your device. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.